everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make Northern Thai beef curry, or in the Thai language we call Kang Hang Le. So first I will show you all the ingredients today. The first one I select garlic and onion, red onion, and this is a hang red curry paste, or you can use the red curry paste also can. And the next one is a tamarind. Today I use only 13 grams. Next one is a coconut sugar. I only use for 15 grams today, but if you don't like the much sugar, you can put less. This is curry powder. Some peanuts. Ginger. Today I will show you how to cut this ginger. And vegetable stock. And beef. Today I use 500 grams. So now first I will put all the curry paste mixed with all the curry powders and mix together with the beef. we will cook the beef and just wait the beef is little bit cooked. Take around 3 or 5 minutes. After that, you will put some of the ginger. No need to put all. And peanuts. No need to put all. Just mix together with the beef. Thank you for watching Cook with Kift. Please like and subscribe for more easy recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.